Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am shopping at Hobby Lobby, as you guys can see in the background. I took a poll on my Instagram and I asked you guys if you were interested in shop with me videos. I've seen them a lot on YouTube and I enjoy watching shop with me videos because it's window shopping, you're not buying anything but you're still shopping. So I wanted to know if you guys were interested in those type of videos, and I would say all of you wanted these videos. So I am doing my first shop with me at Hobby Lobby. I want to film there. I want to go to Kirkland's and the Dollar Tree and all fun places like that for all of their Christmas stuff. So I'm excited to kick off this little shop with me series at Hobby Lobby. Say hi. Say hello, we're at Hobby Lobby. She just woke up and I'm waiting for my friend Jess to get here. She actually said that she was going to meet me here today. So we are just hanging out in the car waiting for Jess. And as soon as she gets here, oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. It's a hairband, it's not an earring. She thinks this is a hoop earring. As soon as Jess gets here, we're gonna go inside and I will start filming and showing you guys what Hobby Lobby has for their Christmas. Actually, I think I'm gonna get one of these. I don't know because they're on the bottom.
Oh yeah, true.
They're really cute. How much are these? They're like $2.50. I might get a pair. Right? Yeah, this is so cute. Jess's tree is all farmhouse, she said. Oh, look at these mason jars.
I like them.
Aren't they cute? And these are cute too, the little mooses. I love them.
Yeah, like little plasticky bells like this on it.
Yeah, that's really cute. I like them.
Yeah?
These are pretty too. These are cute for Adalynne's tree. Adalynne's tree is rose gold. Yeah, I haven't put it up yet. You can help me this year. Yeah, I like them. Oh, these are cute too. Oh, I really like these for your tree. Look,
I like that.
they're heavy. Look how heavy they are.
They are heavy.
Right?
It's too heavy. The tree branch.
Yeah, exactly. This is all really pretty. No, you're okay. Oh, this is really pretty too.
It's not a necklace.
Does she want to put it on? This is so pretty.
See, like that has a
Yeah. Yeah, they're really pretty too.
like $4.
Oh, these are cute. Mr. and Miss. That's cute. Oh, I like that one. I like the buffalo check though.
That one?
Yeah, that's really pretty. That is so pretty. What's $5? Really?
This.
Oh, cute. I like this one too. That is adorable. You should get one of these for your tree.
See, that's for the real trees.
No, you can. I think you can put fake ones in it too.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I like all of this.
Mm-hmm. I like that too.
I just don't know what color.
That one's cute for you guys.
Yeah.
And the angels. No. Wait, this is kind of pretty too for on top of the tray.
Yeah.
Wait, I would just like, I would like him just sitting out. Wouldn't he look cute
Yeah.
sitting out? How much is he?
Can I have that?
He's $20. Whoa. That's cute. I like that a lot.
I have Christmas one that has I got it from here. It says all presents.
I want one of these so bad.
Really?
Yeah, I love these in the kitchen. Yeah. 20.